This is the Ducati Panigale V4S, and it's a major strategic shift from Ducati. They've always been V-twin motorcycles, and now they have this all-new V4 engine. Also note that it's 1100 cc's, 100cc over traditional 4-cylinder liter bikes. The extra displacement gives this S version 214 bhp of power in stock form and 226 bhp with the full system Akrapovic exhaust. Cast aluminum and magnesium subframe, but the trademark trellis frame is missing on this bike. The engine has been used as a load-bearing element in this design, and what really stands out is the electronics. Just like the other Ducati bikes, every parameter of the electronics is adjustable individually, but the traction control is now adjustable while riding, something which I also found on the 2017 CX-10R. Counter-rotating crankshaft takes away some of the inertial rotational mass, which makes this bike really nimble and flickable, and this technology is taken right out of the MotoGP bike, and of course it sounds like a MotoGP bike as well.